Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can pair your HHOGene GPods with any iPhone or iPad. So first of all, before the pairing, just input both earbuds inside, charge them for like 20 minutes with this USB-C port, and also disconnect them from any previously connected devices. Not unpair, just simply disconnect. And then you can just open this charging case, and after a few moments this shells will start blinking with this lights, and it means that our earbuds are basically in the pairing mode. So right now, when you open the settings on your iOS device, go to the Bluetooth and turn it off and turn it on. On the list you will find the GPods, so just be patient and wait a little bit. As you can see, in my case they doesn't appear on the list, so just grab this case, find this button and click and hold it for a few seconds. Right now release, and right now they appears on the list. So select them. We are connected right now, and you can also get the HHOGene application. So you have to be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. Open the App Store, go for the search pool, type HHOGene. There we go, click to get. Let's install. In my case, I have to verify my account. Right now we can open this application. Click start. I'll grant all permissions. And as you can see, when you previously connect them step by step by the Bluetooth settings, by the standard Bluetooth settings will be already connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.